In this video, we are going to be learning how to tell the time using a clock. The first thing that you'll notice about a clock is that it has three hands. This long one is called the minute hand, the short one is called the hour hand, and the long, very skinny one is called the second hand. Minute, hour, second. Now the hand that moves the most quickly is the second hand, and it moves around and around and around and around at a very quick rate. The second hand moves basically 1 second as it goes around. So it moves very quickly. And if we look, each of these spaces in between the 12 and the next line and the next line and the next line and the next line, the minute hand moves slowly to those, each little line, and each little line represents a second. So when the minute hand moves around the whole clock once, it's moved around 60 seconds, and that is 1 whole minute. 60 seconds is 1 minute. And we know this by counting. Between the 12 and the 1, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little spaces. Between the 1 and 2, there's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So basically, as we go around, we are counting in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. So when the minute hand has moved around the whole clock once, it's 60 seconds, which means it's moved around 1 minute. Now each time this second hand moves around a whole revolution, the minute hand has to obviously increase by 1. So as the second hand moves around once, then the minute hand moves 1. The second hand moves again, the minute hand moves 2. The second hand moves again, and the minute hand moves 3. And each time the minute hand moves, it's showing 1 minute has passed. So that means, just like there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, when the minute hand has gone all the way around one time, it's gone through 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. So when the minute hand has moved around a whole time, it's moved around 60 seconds, which is 1 whole hour. So that's what the minute hand does. Now every time the minute hand moves around 1 whole time, the hour hand will move once. So as the minute hand moves around 1 whole time, the hour hand will move 1. The minute hand will move around again, and the hour hand again will move once. So every time the minute hand goes around a full time, the hour hand will move 1 down.